Come test drive the 2020 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.